everybody, today we're going to be unboxing the Ripfire 4 set. So this is Beyblade Best Search product and it's a Speedstorm system. So the bay that we get inside the set is Demise Hyperion 86 and we get a shark launcher. So the bay has a Ripfire driver, so that means that it lights up. So that'll light up the battles and that'll be fun to watch. And then the launcher has a power gauge, so it's going to measure your power. So let's see, it's a pretty interesting launcher, like a shark shape.
So then now let's open it. Okay. Oh, it's a bit hard. Oh, we just got the string light on. Yeah.
Oh, so here's the launcher and then the bay. So then let's just open everything up. So then it's just wrapped up inside all this plastic.
Yeah.
So a Demise Hyperion bay, and then we have the shark launcher with that came with the set. So we'll talk about the shark launcher later, so how about let's just take this out of the way and let's talk about the bay. So then we got the Hyperion chip on this Beyblade. So the Hyperion chip's pretty standard. It's the one that came on Super Hyperion, just a recolor. So it has some purple accents like the and then it has like an orange like eye, and then the middle part's just like a sky blue type of color. The next part that we have is the layer, and it's the Demise layer. So the Demise layer has like 4 blades, and like it has a spot for the chip, of course. Like the box says it's a balance type blade, but in my opinion, I would say it's more like an attack type, according to how like it's quite recoil. It has quite a lot of recoil. Now let's move on to the driver, which is like fused with the disc. So it comes, so the drivers basically merge, and then it has a metal portion around it, a forge disc. So this is like the interesting part that came with the Beyblade, which is like the Ripfire part. So it lights up. So that's quite a cool part about it. And then like the spring lock is a little bit, it's not bad, it's pretty good. And like the tip, it is like the merge tip, but it's not got the rubber or anything like it should have, but still it doesn't matter, it's still a merge tip. It's quite tall and it's quite bulky. So then let's just put the bay together. So we've talked about the parts and now let's do this. So like, let's just see, pretty okay, a little bit loose though, not as tight as some Beyblades from Speedstorm, but like pretty good, okay. Yeah, so it has a portion part around there, and then it's got the tip. Pretty good, I like it. The color is also like an orangey type of color for the blade. And then, yeah, like it has some blue accents here. Pretty good. Now let's move on to the launcher, which is another part of the thing. So then now let's talk about the launcher that came with the pack. So it's a shark launcher. So we got this inside Beyblade Burst Turbo, and now it's a recolor, which is white and gold this time. So it's like pretty, it's kind of got a good grip, and like looking around, yeah. So this part's like, it's good that it's like, if you put the bay onto here, it won't hit your hand. And the ripcord's like, it's got double-sided teeth, so that's great. So another thing that they were advertising on the box, Hasbro was advertising, is that it's got a power gauge. So basically after you launch it, like this needle will go up to some point, and then like it will show how much you launch. I tried it a couple of times. It's like, it's not super accurate. Sometimes it tells a bit inaccurate, but it's a pretty cool feature. And then like after launching, to reset it, you just press this button.
So then let's take off this plastic piece here.
Yeah, we're gonna start the test battles.
Oh,
okay.
Oh.
Taking it off.
Yeah.
So now it's gonna start lighting up.
Yeah, when I launch it.
So let's just test spin it and let's see the lights.
Yeah. So we're using the brand new launcher.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, let's run.
Whoa!
Yeah, and I did like nearly halfway.
Like pretty much like a middle launch.
It's lighting up.
The noise is quite loud from the bay.
It isn't lighting up that much in the camera, but otherwise in real life it is lighting.
Yeah. How about let's make it dark, and then we'll do this, and then we'll see how the light how it looks. Yeah. 3, 2, 1. Let it rip. Ooh, the lighting is lighting up so much.
Yeah.
That's to celebrate the light up Ripfire top.
Yeah.
Oh, that was pretty cool.
Yeah.
It's lighting up so much, so bright.
Yeah.
Okay, and that's slowing down.
So now let's do the test battles.
Yeah, so first opponent Super Hyperion.
3, 2, 1, loud.
Okay, but that bursted off.
Yeah, my Hyperion.
But bursted quite quick.
Yeah.
Maybe not the best Beyblade.
Yeah. This literally got off.
No, we thought it would stay on. Maybe that would just Hyperion hit so hard. Yeah. Let's just change opponents. One
I
round.
just literally locked this in and it light up.
Oh, okay. And now let's just use Colossal Helios, a left spin.
Yeah.
So you may get to equalize.
Yeah.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Ladder.
Yo, you're lighting up quite a lot. Last time we didn't see the light up because Hyperion just bursted so quick. Oh, finished quite quick. So it moved like around like halfway.
Yeah.
Next opponent, Mirage Fafney.
Yeah.
Yo, we still going.
3, 2, 1, ladder.
Man, every single Beyblade that's bursting is just taking out its thing. So then that's it for our unboxing. So basically, like, we did the test battles and everything. So after doing all of the stuff now, like, I would say that the question is, should you buy it, consider it, or avoid it? So in my opinion, like, you should probably consider it. Because, like, one reason why I would say just consider it is because, like, the launcher, we're playing around with it. And then now it's, like, starting to skip, so, like, in a way broken. So that's why it's, like, not that powerful and doesn't feel that great. And, like, the Bay is not that good at performance. Like, inside the test battles, it just bursted. But, like, if you like the Ripfire stuff and everything, then it's a pretty good purchase. So, yeah, thank you for watching. And, like, see you inside the next video. Bye.